guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. This lace got ripped out. I don't know how, but in this video I am going to show you guys how I am going to amend this lace closure that got ripped out. This is the final results after doing it, so stay tuned guys and watch how I do it, just in case you have a ripped closure or frontal. You'll be needing your ventilating needle. You'll be needing just few hair to match it up. So watch how I'm going to do this guys. Then I am putting this white nylon underneath the lace so that I can be able to see through the holes very well. You can see the lace is matching with the mannequin skin, so that's why I won't be able to see the lace very well. But with this defined color of nylon, I'll be able to see the lace very well and be able to pick out the holes and all that. This is water. I'll be spraying little water on the hair, the closure part actually, so it won't be disturbing. The flies over around the hair won't be disturbing while ventilating. It will make it slip down and it will make it just be calm like that. I'm about starting. So this closure, it wasn't bond, it was tore. So assuming it was bond, I will be placing a net underneath it, then ventilate on the net. But this was tore, so what I'll be doing here is merging it back with some strand of hair. I'll be merging the lace back with some strand of hair. I'll be merging it back, that is making it close back again, since it wasn't bond, it was tore. So merging it back with put it back in place, make it form back again. So I'll be taking from other side, picking it, joining it with the second side and using a strand of hair to close it. I'm done closing it up, and this is the result. You can see how it's looking like nothing never happened to it, looking so natural and good. You can try this on your lace, closure, frontal, any which one. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like this video and drop your comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video. I love you guys. Bye.